everybody, I'm GiGi of GiGi Celebrities, but we also have Stephanie here with her little lady, McKenna.
Look at my pretty dress. Look at the way that it sways in the wind.
We're gonna test some baby food.
First up, we are gonna try a tame pumpkin, pureed pumpkin, everybody.
God.
Pureed pumpkin.
Wait.
Smells like ass.
Really?
Oh, come on.
It is a pumpkin.
Going in, folks. This is so gross.
It's real gross.
But he went for a second and third and fourth and fifth. Oh my God.
I literally just dry heaped. It's really, really bad. When something tastes bad in your mouth, you know what I like to do? Ice cold Diet Coke. Coca-Cola Classic. If you don't have any friends, you always
Thanks
have
for
an ice
putting it
cold
right
Diet
in
Coke.
front of my face.
Ice cold Diet Coke. But different fruits and vegetables have different parts. There's obviously the stems of apples. I have a feeling that they only use the asshole of the pumpkin. Oh, there it is. Used only the anus of pumpkins.
How many silver spoons do you give this pumpkin? I guess we can make it out of...
Give me a 10. Let's do a 10.
Out of 10.
I give it 1 just for the simple fact that it's edible. You can eat it and not get sick. 0.
I'm gonna give it 5 silver spoons.
I was gonna give it like a 6, 7.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
I am reserving my lower silver spoons for train wreck baby food.
Little crunchies, everybody. Little crunchies.
Bring it on. It's not awful. Folks, it's not a Cheeto.
9.
I mean, you guys keep on
I would
eating
totally
them,
eat that on a
so-
normal
I don't
day.
understand your rating scale, Stephanie. Hopefully there's some continuity through
Well,
here.
I'm gonna just give that
take
to
it.
you.
I wonder
She
how-
gets pulled over by an officer. She's just popping these little crunchies.
Carrot and apple baby food puree.
God, that's nice.
Oh, jeez. Okay, bye.
I would give it a 7.
I give it a 2.
You give it a 2?
A 2. I don't understand your ratings.
I would eat it.
Oh.
Got a soul patch of the baby food.
Soul patching it, folks.
Oh, it's gonna drop! It's gonna drop!
Like Matthew McConaughey.
Ah, it dropped on my hand!
I'm gonna step out of frame for this.
Tickle the handballs. Okay, here we go.
Landon, calm down and prepare yourself.
I really like that stuff.
Because you eat Lil Stick's chicken stick.
They look like dead baby penises.
It looks like a
What
baby.
are you talking about? This is a big penis.
It looks like a baby penis.
What penises are you? That's like a Coke can.
Is this what an uncircumcised penis is?
Yes.
Okay, as soon as it goes in your mouth says spit this out. This is poison.
But you like little penises in your mouth.
Oh.
Different video.
That's
a 0. That's a 0.
Yes, that's a 0.
Bananas, pineapple, avocado, and
Bananas.
granola.
Oh god.
That sounds awesome. How do you hate bananas? Oh, this is
Oh,
good.
God.
Oh, I love bananas. Come on, give it a squeeze.
That's enough. Oh god.
That I can push out.
4.
It doesn't taste like banana.
The aftertaste tastes like you just ate an oyster.
What? I think that Landon is crazy.
I give it a 4.
3.
Wrong answer. It's a 4.
This is Happy Tot.
Ew! Yeah, it looks chunky.
Does that look appetizing?
No, it looks like shit.
It looks like a tree.
Oh my god.
She just spit it out in my face. Spoon drop.
Ugh, no.
That's a 0. No Tot's gonna like that. That is not Tot
It's
approved.
not
0.
0.
Okay, 0 it is.
Little Smokies are catching up to me.
Ugh, gross.
Do we want to do some apple, spinach, and avocado plum organics?
Nope,
baby?
but here we go.
And what is that?
Spinach.
What is that?
Spinach.
Oh.
Spinach.
What is that?
That yeah, I know exactly what it is. It's have you ever smelled fish food and it tastes like
Ugh.
fish food smells? Ass. Old ass.
Oh, Landon wanted the peaches. So we got some peaches here.
Katie Ashworth, I'm giving you a shout out here. Katie and I would always eat peach baby food well into middle school, and we just loved it.
Maybe not something that you want to tell people.
Yeah, smells like peaches.
It's
Yeah.
actually not bad.
Yeah. Yep.
All right, I know that you love this, so you can
I
eat
don't.
it all.
No, I don't want it. I couldn't possibly.
I mean, it's peach puree.
10.
Damn, 10, a fucking 10.
10.
I'll give it a 7.
You wanna know what I would give it in Japanese? A 10. I'll give it a 10. He does a 10. A perfect 10.
Okay, we got this spinach, lentil, brown rice puree thing.
Oh,
Sure to
this
give you
literally
extra.
looks like the diaper I changed earlier today.
Nope. Scientists asked, could we do it? They never asked, should we? And the answer is no.
No, that's a 0.
Peas, green beans, and avocado.
Oh,
my god.
Oh my god.
Oh. Nope.
How the hell could they make something like this?
Nope. This is mean.
This is mean.
Zero.
Give it to your
Zero.
kid. A 0.
I gave it a 3.
Everybody, this is Ticker Whiskle Biscuit.
Tickle Whisker Biscuit.
Ticker Whisker Biscuit.
Is his name Ticker or
My
Tickle?
little ticker tickle. Tickle Whisker Biscuit. Say hi, Tickle. Say hi. My name's Tickle Whisker Biscuit.
Cutie.
I give it a 9.
9. Mighty protein and fiber, banana, white bean, strawberry, and chia pureed situation here.
Nope. Hard no. Yeah.
Tastes like strawberry.
Tastes like the asshole of a strawberry.
And this is sweet potatoes, and I love sweet potatoes.
Hard pass, thank you.
No, you are gonna do it.
Yes, I am.
I would give it an 8.
Whoa! A 0. And remember, post in the comments section exactly how bad we're holding these babies. Really critique our parenting skills.
Do not critique my parenting skills. I will end you. Also, I would like to mention that my daughter is a month old, not 3 months old, like everyone thinks.
Oh wait! No! You need to try breast milk.
That's enough. That's plenty. What are you doing? Stop it! Oh God! Oh, I hate
Totally
this.
fine.
Shall I hold this just in case you throw up?
Yes.
You're not gonna throw up. It just tastes sweet. I tell you, it's not that bad.
Everything
Watch
in
Daddy
the fiber
eat your
of my
food.
being
Watch
says,
Daddy
"Don't put
eat-
this in your mouth." I'm not vamping. I'm not playing this up. I know I'm a television actor, but I literally am repulsed by this.
Do you want me to go first?
Thanks for being repulsed.
You're gonna do some? Yes.
It's breast milk.
Yes! Yes!
It tastes sweet. I tell you, this is not a big deal.
She just sucked on Genevieve's tit
I
milk.
know they're drinking my tits right now.
Do it. Do it.
Let's
Drink
take
it
it
off.
back. Yeah.
I don't like it. When he burps and farts and poops, I smell his farts and his poops, and it tastes like the farts. It tastes like farts.
He's gonna.
It does not taste like breast milk. Does not taste like fart.
Landon's gonna poop later and smell our child.
Nope. Nope. Hard no. Hard no. Hard no. Hard no. Hard
Funny
no.
thing is my
Hard
boobs
no,
hurt right
hard no,
now. I
hard
need
no,
to make
fart
some
you,
more.
Fart him. Fart him. Fart you.
Landon is a pussy.
My daddy is